Level 1A count. Bryce, Naomi, things.
Yeah.
We did a little review of our double tuck turn. Ooh. Step, step, triple step, 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 triple step, hey. Then we also did some swing out stuff. 5, 6, 7, 8, hey. Oh, hey. Remember to get enough distance so that followers, you're not always taking a rock step. And you don't want to let your frame get so far that you break it. And followers, the new thing tonight was we did a twist. So remember, marching, then right, left, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's the 1, 2 of your swing out. Can we show it this way? 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we did a little review of everything. We'll be doing that again next week. And that was all that we did.
Woo-hoo. Wow, the tea.